guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Valerie, your practical decorator, helping you to make it home. So basically, I am touching base with you guys because I want to say a Merry Christmas to you all. Happy holidays, happy holidays, happy holidays to you. Now, whatever you decide to do, I hope that you will make the most of the season and the season will be kind to you. I will be spending the holidays out here in the countryside in our home with my husband and our two sons. We'll do a regular baking and cooking, eating, having games. And really, since our sons have gotten bigger, the gift unwrapping has not been such a big deal. The most important thing is that we are together and we are having fun. For the last couple of years, what we've done is just get like a gift bag and just stock it with snacks and little items that we know that our sons would love to have throughout the holidays. So yeah, there have been some highlights on the channel, and the channel, I couldn't have done it or gotten there without you guys. And so I just want to say thank you so much. I appreciate you. One of those highlights is becoming a part of the YPP, the YouTube Partnership Program. Thank you guys so much for helping the channel to become a part of the program. Other highlights are, you guys' interaction when you ask questions or when you give comments. And guess what, guys? I got one super thanks since I became a part of the YPP. And that super thanks came from a very lovely person who thought that I helped her in order to figure something out that she was not able to find anywhere else on the internet or on YouTube. Well, until she came across my video. So those type of things are very encouraging, guys. So if you think that my video helps you a lot, go ahead and give me those super thanks. I appreciate it. So now let's talk about something that I've decided to introduce to the channel recently, and I have done one video so far, and that is recalls. Now it is important that when we buy products for our home to help us to make it home, right, that they function as they're supposed to function and we get the most out of them. And sometimes they do not. Sometimes for specific reasons they are recalled. And when a product is recalled, it is very imperative that we all know that they have been recalled, and so that we can send them back and either they can be fixed or we can be reimbursed. And so guys, I will help to get the word out to you about recalled products. Another thing you can look out for in the coming year is me getting my husband to do a couple videos with me when it comes on to technology in the home. He is a technology expert, and so I want to get some of his input that can help you guys to make it home when it comes on to whether it's your internet, you connecting your systems together so that you don't have to have all 10 different remotes, whatever it is in technology. I'm looking forward to getting my husband to share some information with us on my channel. That should be good. And of course, I'm going to continue to make the videos that I normally make. Now, what I need you guys to do for me, in the comment section is drop any topics that you would like me to cover right now below this video, so I can know some of the things that you want me to focus on, because it's all about doing stuff that will help you to make it home, not stuff that I think that you will need. But I guess if I don't hear from you, I will go ahead and keep doing stuff that I think and I know will help you to make it home. But I would really like to hear your views, your thoughts, your opinions. What do you want me to cover in the coming year, so that you can help yourself to make it home? Yeah, I should also mention, friends, that I started the membership. There are 2 levels. You can check it out on the channel, that come with different perks. And so level 1 come with its own perks, and then level 2 comes with more perks on top of the level 1 perks. Okay, so that's a way that I can earn an income to be able to finance all the projects that I do, because they do take materials, and the materials sometimes can cost a pretty penny. So I'd really appreciate if you guys choose to become members of the channel and give me things like those super thanks that can actually help me to make an income to continue to finance my endeavors here. Help me help you. I just want to say many thanks to you guys for your support. Muchas gracias. Merci beaucoup. Merry Christmas to you all. Happy holidays. And do me a favor, please. If you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscription button before you go, and help me to get to 3,000 subscribers before the end of 2023. That would be excellent. Remember also to turn on the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new uploads that will help you to make it home. Sending you lots of love and holiday cheers from my house to you, to your house. You take care now. I'll see you in the next video.